Welcome back to Mr. Jeffrey's classes. We're talking about my skunk spot in my beard. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, bell because we're actually doing fun stuff today. Okay, so a lot more fun than yesterday. This is actually called the Factor Theorem. I don't know why it's important, but apparently it is. Okay, I would like for y'all to travel back in time with me to the late 80s, early 90s, before cell phones, before smartphones, before internet. If you had a crush on somebody, you would write them a note on a piece of paper. And in that note, you would have a box, yes or no. Okay. And then you would fold it up. I never knew how to fold it up. Okay. Really fold it up neat and you'd pass it off. Okay. This is kind of like that note. We're going to plug in something, plug in a number. If we get a 0, the answer is yes. If we don't get a 0, the answer is no. Okay. So this is what I need y'all to do. I need y'all to write this. 0 equals yes. Not 0. Or let's do this. Number equals no. Do you love me? Do you want to be my friend? Because if you do. All right. So here's our problem. It says determine whether x minus 2 is a factor of this. So just like we did with the timeout box, we're going to take the opposite of this. Okay, so instead of x minus 2, we're going to use 2. So everywhere we see x, so let's zoom in. Let's make the main thing the main thing. Oh, we're going to plug this in. And I forgot to mention, if you need a calculator, you might want to get one. I might need to order more. Because everybody, apparently, I am supposed to provide food and water and calculators for all those at this school. All right, I plug it in, I get 4. It's a regular 2. We got to use the opposite of, yeah, it's kind of hard to hear me with those big old earmuffs. They're not turned on, they're just on. They're not turned on, they're just on. Oh, okay, on your head. Okay. No, I don't know what's happening right now. All right, I said I don't know what's happening right now with my thing. All right, so we get 4. All right, so this, like a lot of times when Mr. Jeffries would send a note to a young lady, it would come back a big fat no. Okay? But we're really good friends. Okay, I really think Mr. Jeffries invented the friend zone. Kind of like the thing you see on the Tic Tac now. It says, you know, were you popular in high school or are you really funny now? Thank you for laughing. All right. So, this is what we're going to do. Everywhere we see a X, we're going to put these parentheses. Parentheses. The hardest thing about this, now, I still probably, even doing this as a math teacher, would probably still need to write these down because we all know that I'm kind of, different. All right, what am I plugging in to all these parentheses? 4. Remember the opposite. The opposite. You mean the semicolon? Its story is not done. Sorry, that was a bad joke. But listen, I could actually have 2 of those tattoos. Okay? So I think I can make that joke. FYI, BT dubs. Now, TBH, hashtag. I don't think y'all are actually saying words here, y'all, bah, bah. Yep, the whole thing. Not half of it, all of it. Scooby Doo Spring Break. Man, is that like you go and you solve mysteries? All right, we got a 0. All right, for some of y'all, this is okay for one time that you actually get a 0. It's a good thing. So, when we get a 0, we write yes. Okay? Now, believe it or not, that's actually where we're going to stop the lesson today. Okay? Bet, brah. What's another one? What's another one? Those sayings y'all go bet, rip, riz, ri- you don't have no riz. Wait, what? Just like that? Like no facial expression? You don't have no riz. Okay. All right. May the Swatch be with you. All right. So now, for the in class audience, I'll need y'all to work on the rest of these problems. Yeah, the lesson is done, that y'all are going to work on this. Okay. So don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.